I'm gonna let you open one gift, okay?
Okay.
One gift. Alright? Are you excited? Tell them how excited you are. Are you excited?
Yes, super excited.
What if you don't like it?
I do it.
You will? Wait, why are you in such a hurry? You want to open it that bad? Okay. Okay. You gotta hold it up. You have to hold it up. No, when you open your present, you have to hold it up, okay?
Okay.
What'd you say? Yes, what you gotta say. You gotta see me ask for the speed.
What'd you buy? What'd you buy with it?
Look at I'm gonna go with your bag up. Ready? Is that crazy?
Yeah, one. That's